Have you ever wished you could take your Apple Music or iPhone playlists, turn them into MP3 South, and play them anywhere offline, on any device? Well, that's exactly what ViWizard lets you do. It's your one-stop solution to break free from streaming limits. Whether you want to convert Apple Music into MP3s, or record streaming audio from Spotify, Amazon Music, Tidal, and more, ViWizard makes it super simple. And here's some great news right now. You can grab 25% off all ViWizard software using the code VWMC25. The link and code are both in the description and pinned comment. Let's start with the ViWizard Apple Music Converter. As you know, Apple's DRM rules restrict how and where you can use your music even if you've bought it. With ViWizard, those restrictions are gone. You get complete control over your music collection. This tool lets you convert Apple Music, iTunes songs, audiobooks, and even Audible content into real, shareable files like MP3, WAV, FLAC, M4A, and more. It works smoothly on Windows 7 through 11 and on Mac OS, both 32 and 64-bit. Here is how you can use it. Step 1. Download the app from the link in the description and launch the app. After that, log into Apple Music with your Apple ID. This opens Apple Music's web player inside ViWizard. Step 2. Click the menu icon in the top right corner, go to Preferences, and select your output format like MP3, AAC, etc. You can also adjust the file name and save location. Step 3. Browse your Apple Music or iTunes library and select the songs, albums, or playlists you want to convert. Click the plus button to add them to the conversion list. Step 4. Click Convert, and ViWizard downloads and converts tracks at up to 15 speed while preserving quality. Step 5. Once finished, locate your MP3s via the History or Open Folder button. It's fast, reliable, and keeps your music sounding exactly the way it should. Whether you're playing on a smart speaker, MP3 player, Android phone, or even your car stereo, it just works. But that's not all. ViWizard also has the streaming audio recorder, which is like an all-in-one recorder for almost every music platform out there. It supports Spotify, Apple Music, Amazon Music, Tidal, Deezer, Pandora, Qobuz, SoundCloud, Line Music, podcasts, and even audiobooks. Instead of juggling multiple apps, you can capture everything in one place with ViWizard. You can batch download playlists, albums, or long-form content quickly and efficiently. No app switching, no restrictions. Here's how to use the ViWizard Streaming Audio Recorder. Step 1. Open the ViWizard Streaming Audio Recorder. Step 2. Set your output preferences MP3, FLAC, WAV, or AIFF. Step 3. Choose Apple Music or another service. Log in through the built-in player to access your full library. Step 4. Pick the songs or podcasts you want, then click the plus button to queue them. Step 5. Hit Convert. You'll get clean, organized, high-fidelity files with lyrics, tags, and album art preserved. You can even save lyrics as .lrc files and keep your library neatly organized. Best of all, the sound quality is lossless. You get full 320 kbps MP3 South or high-res FLAC, so nothing is sacrificed. Whether you're an Apple Music user who wants true ownership of your songs, or someone juggling multiple platforms like Spotify, SoundCloud, and Amazon, ViWizard has you covered. Stop just renting your music, it's time to own it. With ViWizard, you get freedom, control, and safe, clean downloads that you can keep forever. So, don't wait. Check the link in the description or pinned comment. Use the code VWMC25 for 25% off and start building your music library the way it should be yours. Record it, convert it, keep it forever. That's ViWizard. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.